The UK government is making a significant change to its immigration policy, halting the recruitment of care workers from abroad. The new rules, as part of the immigration white paper to be released today in Parliament, mark the end of the country's reliance on international workers for adult social care. In a statement, Home Secretary Irwin Cooper acknowledged the immense contribution that foreign care workers have made to the UK's social care system. However, she also emphasized that far too many have been subjected to unacceptable levels of abuse and exploitation. This shift in policy comes after a series of actions to tighten the rules around foreign workers in the care sector. Since 2022, over 470 care providers had their sponsor licenses suspended due to failures in adhering to regulations regarding the treatment of international staff. In response, the government has now decided to implement a stricter policy that will prevent further overseas recruitment in the care sector. The decision comes amid concerns that the UK's reliance on foreign care workers is unsustainable and that the sector should transition towards a more self-sufficient model. Government data shows that approximately 40,000 workers have been displaced, many of whom are now ready to re-enter the workforce. Those foreign employees who are already in the UK and sponsored to work lawfully in the care sector will have the option to stay longer, change sponsors and apply for settlement in the UK, including those who may need to switch employers after a sponsor license is revoked. This decision is part of the government's broader strategy outlined in the UK's workforce pathway, which was unveiled earlier this year. The initiative aims to reduce the dependency on international staff by strengthening the domestic workforce and creating a more sustainable care system. In addition to new hiring restrictions, the UK government has also taken steps to tighten immigrant rules in other areas. In March, a ban was introduced that prevents foreign care workers from bringing their dependent family members to the UK. Further restrictions came into effect in April, requiring care providers to first prove they have attempted to recruit locally before hiring from overseas. Today's announcement, which is expected to be formalized by Prime Minister Keir Starmer, is also part of the UK's efforts to reduce overall net migration. The country saw a record high of nearly 1 million net migrants in the year ending June 2023, and the new policies aim to curb that number in the upcoming years.